Hey guys, what's up? It's Chuck from Radiant Adventures, and our number 2 project for this year is a fridge and fridge slide. Really the big deal is trying to figure out what fridge and what fridge slide. Turns out after I took all the measurements in the vehicle and sort of figured out what size fridge that I could easily fit and not take up too much space, it really narrowed down my options. I was really interested in the dometic CX50 or even the CX65. They had some really cool technology features integrated with your phone. They had the 65 has sort of a separate freezer type compartment that stays a little bit colder than the rest of the fridge. And they're just really cool and a really good price. They are quite a bit wider than the ARB fridge or the National Luna fridge. Once you get the slide that can fit that, it was going to take up more than half of my drawers. Now, some people that get those wider fridges end up mounting it all the way over on their drawers, but it will cover up that wing area, and then you won't have the same access to that, or you have to modify that access. So I didn't want to do that. Now, of course, the second most important thing for your fridge is how you're going to mount it in the vehicle. We have to decide what kind of fridge slide to get.
But we already have a fridge slide.
I'm going to have to edit that out now because you have to pretend. Right now. Okay. Remember, you have to pretend a little because we didn't do this video before.
You didn't give us slides.
There's 3 kinds of fridge slides. So you can have one that just slides straight out. Look how high the refrigerator is in the air.
No, that's too high.
And then you also have what I think is the coolest one. I really fell in love with the MSA 4x4 drop slide. I contacted them, they would have shipped one to me, and with the exchange rate and everything and the shipping, which was going to be very high. This one, I can get it from Australia for $1,300.
I have a fridge slide! Guys, we don't not have a fridge slide yet.
Thanks Brennan, for seeing the alu-cab tilt slide. I didn't really like the tilting kind of action. It looks simpler, and that was desirable, but I wasn't really sold on it. We've got the alu-cab style where they tilt it like this.
It says alu-cab.
Alu-cab, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alu-cab.
Okay, which one do you like, Mommy?
I say the alu-cab because it's going to cost less.
It's the alu-cab.
Then right around Black Friday, there were some huge sales on multiple Overland sites, and I was able to get a deal on an ARB fridge, an alu-cab tilt slide, an ARB monitor for the fridge, and then at the same time ARB was running a promotion where you could get a free transit case. So now we're waiting for all this gear to come in, and we're gonna check it out and get it installed in the Land Cruiser. If you guys have any questions about how we chose the fridge or the slide that we're using, or anything about any of our other videos, please leave those questions in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much, and have a good one.